Why is there killing in the United States? A black boy is killed and he's only 12 years old. There is Michael Brown, he is an angel. Mr. Garner didn't deserve. Everybody's dying. Why is this happening? I don't understand. People are going away. There's so many black people dying on this earth today. I don't know why this is happening. Will someone please explain to me why there's cops out there that are racist? Why do they have to be so rough? Nobody seems to be doing anything. Everybody just seems it's just the same. Only protesting, and that's about it. I feel so bad for the families. Everybody's doing something wrong. I don't understand why. Michael Brown and Trayvon Martin did not deserve nothing. Sean Bell and the 12-year-old that got shot in the stomach. I just don't understand why this is happening. I don't know why the cops don't just take a break or a breather instead of reacting.